Hello, so I just filmed this where the camera's on. I'm Carrie Chandler, and this is a challenge for my new girl. I film different things like food, days out, cleaning to catering, just sharing my lifestyle. And today, hello, so I just filmed this where the camera's on. I'm Carrie Chandler, and this is a challenge for my new girl. I film different things like food, days out, cleaning to catering, just sharing my lifestyle. And today we're off out. This morning we're going to take for some nice breakfast. I'll go pick up wrap and paper because my son's birthday on Tuesday. Then we're going to Sixes, which is a virtual cricket thing that my husband told me about, so we booked tickets going to that tonight. And tomorrow I'm going to do my radio show. As we know, I present the show perhaps on the radio on Sundays 4 till 6, but this weekend and next we're celebrating birthdays, so I'm not doing a show. So tomorrow we're just going to go, my husband's going to take me out in the morning whilst I sort out his presents, and then we're going to have a nice Saturday boat. So I thought I'd film. My son's getting tutoring now. Didn't know he didn't get a place in secondary school, so now he's getting tutoring 15 hours, so there's a couple of sessions this week, and then we're going to do some sessions up to Thursday from Monday, and they're going really well so far. So it's going to be a little bit tricky to film in the week, so that's why I thought I'd film this weekend. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. So I thought I'd show you my new tracksuit that I got from Amazon, and I really like it. The tracksuit's really good. I've never taken the app off my phone because I'm done with Amazon now. I don't need anything else. So what I tend to do is stop myself and buy anything more. And also I've had a few not so good purchases that I've taken the app off my phone. So, but they still do quality stuff, and this feels so good. This tracksuits, I definitely recommend these, and I'll link it below. So today I'm just stopping at my son because I want me to. So I used this shampoo today. In addition, I'm not really. My hair's not as fake as what it used to be, so I like trying different products now in terms of hair, because you know I do love the cost of my hair, and I've always had. I am liking the fact that I've always had thick hair. At one time I didn't appreciate it. I hated having thick hair, but now I've learned to embrace it. So normally my mum dries it for me, but I'm going to dry it today. But it should still hopefully hold its shape.
But I'm on a day indoors anyway, so it doesn't matter. Well, I was going to, but my son wants to come at me. And the whole point for him to go out with his dad was so I could wrap up his gifts. His birthday's on Tuesday, but I'm not a fan of wrapping gifts. I'm just not. I get so frustrated with it. So I'm thinking now that I just put a few gift bags because I'm going to be using, and perhaps we will wrap up one or two, but not wrap them all up. So, and I've decided that I'm going to get up early on Tuesday and use the footrest to put all these gifts on, for him to open Tuesday morning. So yeah, originally was going to use the boxing room, but I was surprised he sees them in there and he's going to want to look into them. So yeah, so perhaps gift bags and I'll put just a couple. Will save me time because it's the time that it takes to get to me. But so there's no makeup day today. I'm using Nivea. I use this all the time. I do like this product. I got this from TK Maxx and it's actually really nice on my face. So I've been putting that and it's made a huge difference. Along with my Nivea cream. And I use this spray. This spray's lasted me for such a long time. It's a face spray, and I've now found it again in TK Maxx. It was just in different packaging. Yeah, so my plan for staying and stopping in has not gone to plan. It doesn't matter. I've done quite a bit. I've got one at 4 this morning. I'm just saying, I've got vlogs there, I'm not for my own person, which I'm not. And it was coming out, it was like 4:45 anyway. And I had to get up around about 5. I just get more out of the day when I do, so. But anyway. And I'm doing my radio show today because I wanted to spend some time with him, it being his birthday weekend. And I'm not doing it next Friday either because I've got a family gathering because it's my brother's, my mum's birthday was on Thursday, my brother's is on tomorrow and Henry's is on Tuesday, so next Sunday we get together with my brother's family and by the time you see this video it will be gone because my plan with me, I've got a plan with me in a trip to London coming up. That's going to go up this Wednesday, so you would have seen it now, and if you want to see that I'll link it below. And then I've got this which is celebrating been a weekend. Sixes was fantastic, recommend. And I know they're not really popular, feel my hair, popular in terms of views, but I just thought I'd recommend places because I really enjoy doing that rather than buying. It was a great gift. It was part of Henry's birthday gift that we went, and it was really good fun. So I've filmed on my phone parts of it. It was right by the station as well, London Bridge Station, so that was handy. But this will go out the week after, so I filmed today. I may film in the week, but I'm trying not to film too much so I don't want to get too behind. But doing it in bits and it's working out for me. So yeah, anyway, gonna go and and let's hope it's a success and I get his presents all sorted out.
He's got my cookies, Maggie! Come here with my cookies! Oh. Cookies!
I feel